My name's Dave Tucker. I'm president of HFO Midwest, and we've been a proud supporter of Air Turbine for years. Air Turbine helps our customers become more productive, and we're really pleased with the way that they help our customers serve their customers.
Now, we have machines with great big spindles, tiny spindles, less expensive machines with 6K spindles, and we've got lines that go all the way up to 50,000 RPMs. Sometimes on our machine, it's hard to find a match of power and RPM. So on some of our larger machines, we might struggle to get to 50,000 RPM. So there are aftermarket devices that you can put in your machine, like Air Turbine, that use the air off the shop air to get that spindle RPM up. So if you have a machine that's doing excellent with a 12 or 15K spindle, but you need some more RPM for cutting an electrode or some very fine engraving, but you don't want to lose all that horsepower that you need for roughing, you can do both on the same machine without even hand loading an aftermarket spindle, right? This thing goes right into your tool changer. So we've used them here at the shop, we're using them at the show. They're just an excellent option when you have that one operation that needs 50,000 RPMs or more. So just make use of those on your Haas machines.
With 50,000 RPM, quarter-inch ball end mill, the cycle time without the air spindles will be an hour and a half, but thanks to the efficiency of the air spindle turbines, this cycle time comes down to 20 minutes. So an increase of productivity, a better finish, surface finish, and a higher quality of the part itself, with a lowering the cost of the tooling.
We've been using Air Turbine tools successfully for, it's been 16 years now. We've seen them, the product change, seen it improve. One of the benefits that we have is we're used to using our spindles 24/7, round the clock. I mean, in some machines we'll have as many as 7 different air spindles, depending upon the job at hand. Different tools require different diameters on our tools, but overall, extremely happy with the workmanship involved and also the service of the company.
The reason I got this spindle was because of the rigidity in the cut. This is important to understand because a lot of spindles that might look the same, when they engage hard metals, they actually stop on impact. But this spindle, it has a patented governed turbine that keeps that tool spinning when you're cutting the toughest materials. This spindle has 1.6 horsepower in cut, and it keeps the load nice and consistent through that cut. And when it comes to lights out machining, this spindle runs maintenance free with no thermal expansion. Air Turbine spindles, boom!